Good morning. Welcome to today's lesson, social study. On our previous lesson, we talked about people and population, and we went ahead and defined what people are and population. I hope you can remember that. We also went ahead and talked about the main language group found in Eastern Africa. And we say, this is just revision, we say Bantus is the largest language group found in Eastern Africa, followed by the Nilotes, then we have the Kushites and the Semites. I hope you can remember that. You should also be able to remember the reason why these people decided to migrate from their cradle land or original land to their present homeland. You should also be able to know the original home of these communities. We also went ahead and talked about the effects of settlement and migration of these people. And we also went ahead and talked about how we can classify population. And I gave you some work to do. If you have any problem concerning this topic, you can just talk to me later. So today we are going to talk about social relations and cultural activities. And our main topic today is going to be the family. The family. So what is a family? Learners, what is a family? Family. Back at home, whom are you staying with? So a family is a basic unit or it is the smallest social unit in Africa. And for a family to occur, there must be marriage. That is, a woman and a man must come together to produce or to have family. And we also say that in a family, there are children. Either way, you can born children or you can adopt. So what is to adopt, learners? What is to adopt? Adoption. So you should also be able to know what adoption is. So we want to find the types of families that we have in our area or in our communities. And the first one we have is nuclear family. Nuclear family. So what is a nuclear family, learners? A nuclear family? A nuclear family is made up of mother, father, and children. Or it can either be father and mother. That is a nuclear family. For example, back at home, how many children are you in that family? So even if you are 11 children, you are 11 children and there is a father and there is a mother. That is a nuclear family. Another type of family is single parent family. From the word single, what does it mean? Single. Here we can give an example of a father. A father is in a home and with the children. Or it can either be a mother with the children. Maybe the father or the mother passed away. So when there is only one parent in a family, then that is known as single parent family. It can either be a mother or a father. And a mother must be with the children or a father with the children. So that is single parent family. Then we have extended family. Extended family. Extend. What is to extend, learners? To extend. So if you know the meaning of extend, then you can bring that knowledge here. Extended family. So in extended family we have nuclear families, and you can add the relatives there. For example, let's give an example. I want to give an example of myself. I'm here, I'm the grandmother, and there is a grandfather there. And I also have the grandchildren, the granddaughter and the grandson. And my grandchildren and my grandsons have their parents. So when we come together, we make what is known as extended family. So extended family comprise of nuclear families plus grandchildren plus uncles and also aunties. So these are the main types of families that we have. We have the nuclear, we have the single parent, and we also have the extended family. Having talked about that, let's talk about the needs of a family. So what is a need? A need? A need is something that you must have for you to survive. So as a family, when you are living together, there are those things that you have to have for you to survive. A good example, and we can talk about, we have two major needs. We have the basic needs and we also have the secondary needs. So let's start with the basic. The basic needs. The basic needs. So basic needs, these are needs that you cannot do without them. A good example is food. Can you stay without food even for 2 days? Can you do that? It is very impossible. Even some of us, even staying even a single day without eating is a problem. So food is a necessity. So that means that food is one of the basic needs that a family must have. We also have clothing. Clothing is also another basic need. We all need clothes to go out. Or can you decide that today I just want to go out like that? You come from the bathroom, then you just move out of the house without any clothes. Is it possible? So it is not possible. So we have to have the clothes. So clothes is also another basic need. Another one is shelter. So what is shelter, learners? Shelter. So shelter is where you can stay. You all need a house to stay. You cannot stay in a bush or in an open field. It is not, you can't even think of doing that. It is very impossible. So these three, or food, shelter, and clothing, are the major basic needs of a family. So those are the major. Somebody cannot do without them. Then we also have another needs of a family, that is secondary. So these are needs that it is not necessary for you to have them. You can survive without them. And a good example is education. Education. Not all of us are literate. Some of us are illiterate. Or some of our parents, some of our grandparents, they were illiterate, but they were surviving. So education there is a secondary need. So I want you also to mention other types of secondary needs in your book, and then you send them to my as a homework. I hope you are together. So when we meet next time, you're going to talk about the roles and responsibility of family members. So what you need to ask yourself, what family members are, and also the roles. That, for example, a child. What is the role of a child in a family? What is the role of a father in a family? And also, what is the role of a mother in a family? So when we meet, we talk about that. But remember, you write for me other secondary needs of a family. We've talked about education. So mention for me other needs of a family. That is secondary needs. I hope you are together. Let's meet next time.